Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be starting to pack for San Francisco and I wanted to do a pack with me, but I'm going to be giving you guys some of my tips and just how I pack. I'm going to be doing a quick Target haul. So I did a pickup order for Target just because I needed some things, and this is like a lifesaver because I just pull up and the order's already like ready. But I got some toothbrushes. I want to pack as light as possible, so instead of bringing like my electronic one, I'm just gonna be bringing this. And then I got some more pimple patches. I'm literally wearing one right now. They're a lifesaver and they work really well, so if you haven't tried this, I definitely suggest for you to try this. I needed a restock on this and it's perfect because I'm just gonna take it with me. I am about to run out of some of these honey pot wipes. I really like them. I just like to keep them just in case. They're very useful and I needed to get another one, so I just went ahead and got one. I literally can't bother right now, but I used to get like little bottles and fill it up with the product. I might still have some, but honestly I just wanted to get these little minis because I feel like for hair products it's perfect. Yeah, it's just gonna make my life easier. So I got the curl enhancing smoothie. You guys already know how much I love this stuff. I'm gonna be bringing my hair dryer and my diffuser, so I needed to get this, and I think I have a gel. I still don't even know what gel I'm gonna use. And I'm gonna be taking a shampoo and conditioner, although I'm gonna be washing my hair obviously the day like before because my flight is early at 8 a.m. so obviously my hair is gonna be already like good to go, but maybe on the weekend I want to wash my hair. I'm gonna be staying there for 5 days, so I'm definitely gonna need to wash my hair. So I had these. Yeah, that's basically everything that I got from Target. I'm so excited. Yeah, I'm gonna start showing you guys. I'm not really sure. Honestly, I didn't really plan out the outfits that I'm gonna be wearing. I'm just gonna bring some stuff and just wear like jeans and a top, because also my birthday was yesterday, so I still have some stuff there. But yeah, my sister gave me this little thing that I can pack a bunch of stuff, so I am definitely gonna start putting these little things in here and trying to organize everything. But I also don't want to overpack because I am such an overpacker, and I really want to stop that because then it just makes my life like a lot harder. Okay, so I'm just gonna start going over some stuff that I'm gonna be taking. I'm gonna be taking this leather jacket. It does get cold over there when I was looking at the weather, so I'm definitely gonna bring some like jackets just because I don't want to be cold, and I feel like this can go with like a lot of outfits. I'm also gonna take Amazon. I just started ordering a bunch of stuff on Amazon because literally I wasn't really liking anything in my closet, but I got this top. I feel like this, and this top is also from Amazon, and I feel like with the green top I can just throw on the blazer and I'll be fine. And then this brown corset, it's not tight at all. It's very like soft material. It's like a brown, on camera looks a little bit, yeah, it's definitely like brown in person. But yeah, this with some jeans or leather pants with a leather jacket would be perfect. And then I'm gonna be taking this jacket and then just some white tank tops to see. But right now, anytime I have like clothing, I like to kind of like roll it up. I couldn't do it with the corset because like I don't want to mess it up. But I'm gonna be like rolling it, and since this is a bigger jacket, I'm just gonna lay it flat first and then kind of lay stuff on top of it. Okay, I'm gonna be using these little packing cubes. Sorry about the wash, it's kind of loud, so sorry about that. But I'm gonna be using these packing cubes from IKEA. I don't really know if they're for travel. They were like $3 and they're very like tiny. But honestly this is like a good size. So yeah. Or I might get the big packing cubes and might just do like different outfits. I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna just fill this one at least with underwear, socks, and my Skims bodysuit and anything that is like shapewear that I have, I'm gonna put in this one at least, because this is a pretty good size. Okay, in that little packing cube that I just showed you guys, I'm also gonna be adding a active like top, sports bra, and some leggings. I really want to at least do a little bit of cardio or something at the gym that they have there, or maybe if we go for like a walk or something like that. But I just want to at least like move around a little bit, because I have been going to the gym very frequently, so I want to kind of continue that. Okay, hi guys, I am in the lounge right now, and I'm just gonna be doing some computer work and then head on over to my gate. But since I have a little bit of time, I want to do that, so yeah. It's 6:30 and we board at 8:50, so probably like at 8 I'll just like head over there. But in the meantime, I want to edit a vlog that I have, so yeah, hopefully you guys can hear me. Yeah. Also, I just got a little yogurt. I have a little tripod, but I'm about to put you guys away. Anyways, I just got a little yogurt, just because I'm not that hungry. Because if I have coffee, like, I'm gonna have to go to the bathroom. So I'm just gonna have something light. And yeah, I'm so excited. I don't know if I've ever said this, but I haven't been to San Francisco, so I'm really excited. But yeah, that's basically it. I don't know if I'm too close, but that's it. Hey guys, I'm gonna be giving you a little view of the Oakland Bay Bridge. It's honestly so beautiful. We're like going down this little hill. Sure, I'm getting my steps in. I'm getting my steps in. I have my water. It's a little chilly. The wind. It's windy. And yeah. Let's definitely on the way back we need to get Okay, hi guys, it's the next day and right now I'm getting ready. It is 12:32. I was just doing some editing on my computer and things like that, so I'm gonna be getting ready for the day. I'm wearing this top from Amazon. I actually really like it. I'll show you my full outfit later, but right now I just need to do my hair, my makeup, see what I'm gonna be doing. And yeah, I kind of have to hurry up because we have to go soon. But today is July 1st, so which is so crazy that it's already July. I also hope that you guys can't hear like the ventilation. It's not that bad, but just in case, I actually really love the lighting in here. But anyways, I can't like wrap my head around that it's already July. Like, that's insane. But anyways, I'm gonna be doing my hair, makeup, everything like that. Since the new part of Stranger Things came out, I'm gonna be doing my makeup while I watch that because I've been obsessed. But yeah, I'll show you guys when I finish up my makeup and kind of like a speed through. Honestly, don't even know what we're gonna be doing today. Today was just kind of like finishing up some work and things like that. So basically, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday is like our free days, when we're probably gonna go to Napa and different things like that, where we have like the entire day. But yeah, let's just start getting ready. I also have to moisturize. I woke up and like my face was, right now it's not that bad, but my eyes were very, very puffy and just like irritated. So I need to moisturize again. But yeah, we're just gonna be getting ready.
said, don't you be afraid of when your life's gonna end. You should be more worried it'll never begin. So I'll ask, how is life in Hollywood if all your dreams came true? And how come every time we talk you act like you're too cool? The city of angels has you entangled in a chimera of a dream. How is life in Hollywood for you?
Okay, this is how we're looking. I feel like my makeup and my hair just looks so snatched. I'm obsessed. But let's go and I'll see what we're gonna be doing. Look at this view. I don't know if you can hear me, but we're at a game right now. So I'm gonna show you guys. Right now we're in that road that the cars are going like in this zigzag in Lombard Street, so I'm gonna show you guys. It's so cute. This is how it looks, and all the cars, like, maybe there's a better angle from the bottom, but they're going like in a zigzag. But it's so cute, and over there you can see everything. Also people that like run. Okay, so today is another day and we're gonna be going to Napa Valley, and this is the fit, but we're gonna be going on our way now.
I was in a magic city, going 50-50. I bet it all up on that red and they got real shifty. Pity, it's a petty crime. You see how people change their vibe when it's green up on their mind. Kevin fed a line, but fuck if I know. I'm searching for them high notes. I'm slipping in my slippers, playing samples off this vinyl, getting better every motherfucking session with my freshness.
Okay, we are in Napa Valley and we're like in this Oxbow Public Market, and we're just gonna be walking around to see what we're gonna be doing. Hi guys, I'll do a little update. We're just here and we had some ice cream. I'll show you guys where we're at right now, but we're just relaxing, having a little bit of wine. We didn't do any wine tasting or anything like that. We're just here relaxing. Cheers. And yeah, such a beautiful day. It's actually very sunny today and not that cold, so I came prepared as if it were really cold. But yeah, I'll show you guys the view. It's super nice. Okay, so this is the winery and this is the view. It's so nice, and basically people just have like their picnics and stuff like that around here. But yeah, it's so pretty. Since Napa is kind of far from San Francisco, it took us a while to get here, but we're gonna be finishing up here and then going back to the hotel. I think that's really about it for today. It's been kind of just relaxing, and yeah, the sun is so pretty. I'm literally glowing. What's that? Okay, so I've never had blue bottle before, so let's see how it tastes. And I'll let you guys know. Also, I'll show you guys the view. We were already here before, but Alcatraz tickets are sold out, so. Okay, hi guys. That is basically the end of this vlog right now. I should have used this camera. It's just really hard. I was vlogging the entire time on my phone, but I really hope that you guys enjoy. Right now, I'm just in the Admiral Club and I got a coffee, and this coffee tastes literally so good. But right now, it's 6:35 and I've been here for probably like an hour and a half, probably more. And our flight is at 11, so I'm gonna grab something to eat and start editing this vlog. But I really do hope that you guys enjoy, and make sure to comment down below any other video requests that you guys want, because for sure I will get around to it because it's the summertime and I really want to boost my content. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.